Listening to the BBC has always been a pleasure, but when scientists at the University of Bedfordshire tuned into their local radio, they came up with a system that could also help save the planet.
BBC Three
counting to radio. That looks good on there, a bit of power there. You can do some things with that, I should think. When the radio waves pass across the area, it induces a slight current and a slight voltage, which you can then change from a radio wave into DC, so you can use it to replace a battery. We have a compact antenna, some very power efficient electronics and a very low power device. So together we have a system of harvesting energy from radio waves to power and enable new applications which we haven't been able to look at before, and replace this in other devices, so retrofitting for instance to a kitchen clock or something like that.
We're all used to the idea of getting energy from heat, say, or from the sun or the wind. Radio frequency is really no different. You can't see it or smell it, but it's there. The question is, how do you harvest that energy and store it?
There's the dummy battery. It will take up the power from the antenna, heading straight into the battery, and that will be like a normal battery, produce positive and negative, and run the clock or sensor. What you will do is put this in a device and leave it alone.
And that could not only stop billions of batteries going into landfill, but could also power those hard-to-reach places.
This would especially work in a setting which does not have sufficient resources, or suppose we are talking about the developing countries which do not have enough resources to power up those devices. So it will work fantastic for them.
Low-power devices are used to monitor everything from our health to the environment. The department's workers secured the university's first ever patent. Now they need investment to make it a commercial reality. Nikki Jenkins, BBC Look East, Luton.